Sea cucumber. That is sea cucumber. Balat. We call it balat. This is a sea cucumber. Look at that with a very vibrant color. Sea cucumber. I'll just return you there. Another kind of sea cucumber. This is another kind of sea cucumber. We call this balat hanginan. See that? There's a lot of sea cucumbers here in Malusay. This is a sea worm, I guess. A big sea worm. We call it bahag-bahag, right? Bahag-bahag in Bisaya dialect. Pufferfish. Look at that. He's hiding there. Hello, Mr. Pufferfish.
Hello.
How are you, Mr. Pufferfish?
Dako na
You're
siya.
big. Yeah.
Except for-
Butete. Yan ay isang butete. Pufferfish. Hello, Mr. Pufferfish. How are you, Mr. This is a seahorse. Wow. Hello, little seahorse. What happened? You need to have water? Ah! This little seahorse needs some water. So, seahorse, what are you doing there? Well, she's just pretending she's dead, but then she's not. Look at that. Wow, so cutie.
Dako na siya, te.
Yes. Ganda ng seahorse of color. Nana siya color. Kuan ka na siya brown. Horse pretends like dead, but not. Hello, Mr. Seahorse. How was the sea going? Wow, so cute. Hello. Hello. You have to go back to the sea now. Oh.
Ulaw.
Mr. Seahorse, have a good night. Good evening. That's a crab. You see his two eyes there hiding. That's a crab. See? Crab. Spiny spider crab is clearly identified by its brown-orange color, lumpy pinky shell, and long legs like spider. Did you know the spider crab plants a garden of seaweed and sponges on its back for camouflage, which it transfers to a new shell after more? The octopus during nighttime in her active sleep. During this time, the octopus flash bright colors across her skin and exhibit darting eyes and constructing suckers which last for 40 seconds.